Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cranberry Blush 5, and today I'll be talking about this Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash Berry Smash. This is the face wash which is very nice and very refreshing, and I'm using this currently. इससे पहले मैंने क्लीन एंड क्लियर यूज़ किया था, बट अभी मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ, विच इज़ फॉर ₹115 for 50 grams of product, and this is a lovely packaging. The packaging is great and the color is same as packaging, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, purple color, and it has a very mild beads which are very refreshing for the face, and it actually glows after washing the face. And I loved the packaging, and the price is also good for 50 gram. Taking a little bit of product, it goes a long way, and I'm using this for about 1 week, and after that I'm saying it has shelf life of 3 years. ये 3 साल तक हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं. 50 ग्राम का और 115 रुपया का है. पैकेजिंग बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मुझे. You like the video, please like and subscribe my channel Cranberry Blush. Bye bye.